If you've been programming it on the Beam for a while, in Erlang or Elixir, you've probably added a type declaration to your code, either a spec on a function or a type in a file. And hopefully you've used Dialyzer to check it. But if you ever wanted to do more, today on the Beam channel, I want to show you how you can do that. And I'm still playing with what you can do with this, but I think it's a cool idea. What you need to do is, if you have, so in order to get the code or get the types, you take a look at this file. This is Erlang, but it would work with Elixir too. So the first thing you're going to find is you're going to take the module name, which is an atom, and you're going to run the function code is loaded. This will return for you the file, actually the Beam file, the compiled Beam file. That is useful because you need that for everything that comes after it. So then you want to get the Erlang core from the Beam file. Now again, this is sort of a multi-step process, and these APIs are not well documented really. They're kind of buried. So then you want to basically say get record and type info, and that'll actually give you the records and types that are defined in a file. That is really useful because it tells you what are the actual types. And then finally, you want to get from Dialyzer utils, these are all in Dialyzer utils, get spec info, which will give you, for a module and the core file, and that record info will give you all the information on what are all the specs of all the public functions in a file. And you can then, now you have all this information not as source code, but as actual data structures. And you can now work with that either in a macro or at runtime or whatever, but the code, the functionality, now that you have the data, the availability is there. Anyway, I hope this was useful. I hope you find something clever and creative to do with this. If you do, please let me know. And if you'd like help with Erlang or Elixir, please give me a shout. I love hearing from you. And I do training courses.